Hi guys, welcome back to Sunrise Kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this beautiful and super delicious roasted chicken with vegetables with a very simple seasoning. I usually make it when I want to cook something easy and at the same time healthy without having to stand for hours in the kitchen. So now, let's go right into the video. So as you can see here, I'm using chicken legs, but you can use any part of the chicken you prefer. And then I will make some incisions on the chicken so the seasoning can properly penetrate. Of course, there are so many different recipes how to do roasted chicken, but today I just like to do it in a very simple way if you are in a hurry or if you want to cook something very quick. And now after I finish, I'm gonna prepare the seasoning, which is very easy and simple. I will use quarter cup of lemon juice as well as quarter cup of olive oil, or you can use 2 tablespoons of butter or any kind of oil you prefer. And now I'm gonna add some spices which contain 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, paprika, and 1/2 tablespoon of ginger, cumin, coriander, some thyme, black pepper, and chili pepper. Or you can add any spices you like, but these spices are perfect for the taste. And then I'm gonna add 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and that's it. We're gonna mix it very well. Then I will be pouring more than a half of the seasoning, and I'm going to rub it until they are well combined. Then I will cover it up with cling wrap and leave it to marinate for an hour until I prepare the veggies. But you can marinate it from an hour to 24 hours, it's up to you. So as you can see here, I cut off some potatoes and some carrots, but you can add any veggies you like. And then I'm gonna add some red capsicum and green capsicum and some onion. And as I said, the veggies, it's up to you. You can add whatever veggies you prefer. But the mix of these veggies together, it's so delicious. If you haven't tried it, I really recommend it for you to try it. And then I'm gonna add the left of the seasoning that we made, and of course guys, mix it until well combined. And then add it onto any baking tray that you wanna use and just separate it. And then add the marinated chicken at the top of it. I'm also gonna add the leftover seasoning from the chicken and separate it very well. And before I cover it with aluminum foil, I will use baking paper to cover it with. But first, I will tell you a little trick how to use baking paper more easily. Just wet it with a little bit of water and then squeeze it like that. And then just cover it. And after I finish, I will cover it with aluminum foil. After that, I will be transferring the tray into my preheated oven on 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit, and I will leave it to bake for 50 minutes, and then I will take out the papers and continue baking for another 20 minutes or until it becomes roasted. While it's being roasted, I like to take from the sauce that comes out of it and brush the chicken. Why I do this? Because this will help it to remain soft from the inside, and at the same time it will take a beautiful color on the outside. And here it is. I just take it out from the oven, and as you can see, the chicken well roasted and they are absolutely delicious. And before I end this video, as we are welcoming the new year, I just like to say for all of you, Happy New Year, and I wish you all the best. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Give it a go and let me know in the comments below how you like it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe too. Hit the notification bell to receive all future videos, and see you in the next video. Bye!